Hello friends, this is Abhishek Vohira from Above Android and I will tell you about the new feature of Instagram, that is Join Chat. Okay, so firstly we'll open the Instagram app. I'll go through my app drawers and select the Instagram app. Here it is. Okay, so I'll just select one post from my feed about let's select this, the Google Pixel 4 XL, and add it to my story. I'll just resize it into the frame and select this chat option. This is the newly added option by Instagram. We need to name this chat. I'll select it as a discuss about Pixel 4 XL. So let's skip this name, and this join chat button will be appearing on the screen. I'll just select done and adjust the size of this and make a perfect story about this over here. I'll do submit and send it to my story, and it has been gone through this story right now. So when I go my profile and refresh over here, you will find that the story is added, and here it is. You can tap on the join chat button to join the conversation. It will show first as a requested when you do that, but now later when you check the status, and you will find that two people have requested for the joining of chat. You can select them and start chat. A chat window will appear where you can type your message and chat about the topic and anything which you have mentioned on your story. Thank you.